Hey everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through 3 easy ways to transfer Canva presentations to Google Slides. So let's dive in. So in Canva, I prepared just a templated slide presentation that is Canva's very own feature. And they are great, especially if you want to be quick and to put a presentation together. I have a couple of slides here. They are all from the template, so I didn't do anything here. It's just very, very simple. Now, we want to get this into Google Slides so you can share it with your team. You go to share right here, then download, and you can download the whole thing as a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, a document. We're going to do this now. It's going to download it. And now we're going to go to our Google Drive. We are creating a new Google slide. And now we're going to import slides. And you're going to upload them. It's uploading. And now you can select all the slides that you want in there. Just take them all and import them. And in a matter of seconds, you have them all in here. The first one is still, you can just delete this one. And now you have all the slides in here. A little bit of a weird feature when you compare them. There's no white stripe on the side here, but it is here on this one because I think the slides are slightly wider. But what you can do, zooming out here a little bit, you can just drag this over and now it's all gray. And in your slideshow itself, you won't see that, as you can see here. So it looks great. Now your Canva presentation is in Google Slides.